Right in the heart of Gatineau, just minutes away from the rush of downtown Ottawa, sits an urban oasis that a lot of travelers completely miss. Welcome to Lake Leamy Park. Managed by the National Capital Commission, this stunning green space is a vibrant mix of pristine nature. The park is centered around Lake Leamy itself, a beautiful body of water that becomes a playground the second the weather warms up. Whether you're launching a canoe, relaxing on the sandy public beach, or exploring the miles of paved trails that wind through the trees, there's a distinct energy here. It's the kind of place where the city completely melts away, even though you can see the skyline just over the trees. But Lake Leamy isn't just about recreation. It's also a sanctuary. The park's unique wetlands are home to an incredible variety of birds and wildlife, making it a favorite spot for local naturalists. And if you look around, you'll see how modern Gatineau beautifully frames this space, with the iconic casino standing just across the water, blending entertainment with natural beauty. For the explorers, the hikers, and anyone who loves uncovering the details of a place, Lake Leamy is full of surprises. In fact, right here at the beach, there's a fascinating series of 10 distinct signs that tell the unique story of this shoreline, its environment, and how to enjoy it safely. Today, we're checking out all 10 of them to see what secrets they hold. Let's get moving and take a look.